Good morning, class 10. Today we will discuss questions of exercise 3.6, question number 2. Question number 2, first part. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equation, hence find the solution. It means that you have to form the equations and then solve. Okay. Now first part is Ritu can row downstream Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of the current. Okay. So first question is arised at what is downstream and upstream. So what is downstream? When the direction of the moving boat and the direction of stream is same. Okay. When the direction of moving boat and the direction of stream is same, that is a downstream, and direction of moving boat and direction of stream is opposite, then it is a upstream. Okay, now start. Let speed of rowing in still water is equal to x kilometer per hour and speed of current is equal to y kilometer per hour. Now speed in downstream is equal to x plus y kilometer, because direction of moving boat and direction of stream is same, so in downstream speed will be added. Okay, now in upstream x minus y. Okay, now in upstream x minus y kilometer per hour, because in upstream direction of moving boat and direction of stream is opposite. Okay, that's why speed of rowing in water and current will be minus. Now as you know, speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, first we find, according to the question, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. Speed in downstream x plus y. Distance is 20 and time is 2. 2 ones are 2. First equation is x plus y is equal to 10. This is the first equation. Now according to the question, upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Okay, so from this formula, in upstream speed is equal to distance is 4 and time is 2. That means x minus y is equal to, this is the second formula. Okay, now this is very easiest equation. Coefficient of y and x are same, so equation 1 and 2 will be at x is equal to 6. Now put the value of x in first equation. So x plus y is equal to 10. 6 plus y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 4. Okay, so speed of rowing in still water is 6 km and speed of current is 4 km per hour. Now second part of this question is, two women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Okay, you have to find the time taken by one woman and one man. Okay, as you know, what is unitary method, in which we have to find one day work. Okay, now let one woman finish the work in X days and one man finish the work in days. Okay. Now work of one woman in 1 day. What is 1 day work of woman? 1 upon X. One woman finished the work in X days. So 1 day work of woman is 1 upon X. Okay. Now similarly we can find work of one man in 1 day. That is 1 upon 1. Okay. Now according to question, it is given that 2 women and 5 men. 2 women and 5 men can together finish embroidery work in 4 days. Okay. So 2 women, 1 woman in 1 day work 1 upon X. So 2 women in 1 day work 2 upon X plus similarly 5 men, 1 man in 1 day work is 1 upon Y. So 5 men is equal to 5 into 1 upon Y, that is 5 upon Y is equal to finish an embroidery work in 4 days. So 1 upon 4. Okay. This is first equation. Now according to question, 3 women and 6 men. 3 women in 1 day work 3 upon X and 6 men. So 6 into 1 upon Y, 6 upon Y is equal to 1 upon, in 3 days 1 upon 3. Okay. So you can solve these equation and find the value of X and Y. Now third part. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. रूही ने ट्रेवल किया 2 पार्ट्स में, बाय ट्रेन एंड बाय बस. ओके. ये ओके. तो टोटल डिस्टेंस इज 3 किलोमीटर. First we let the speed of the train, let speed of the train be x kilometer per hour and speed of bus be y kilometer per hour. Okay. Now y kilometer per hour. Now see, total distance is 300 km. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km. 60 km by train. इतना वो 60 km किससे करते हैं? By train. And rest of 300 minus 60 is 240. 240 km covered by bus. Okay. Now from condition number 1, we have to find the speed is equal to distance upon time. So we have to find the time. Time is equal to distance upon speed. So for train, time is distance 60 and speed is speed of train is 60 upon x. Similarly, we can find the time of bus. So t is equal to t2 is equal to distance is 240 and speed is y. and total time, she takes total time 4 hours. So we add T1 plus T2. T1 plus T2 is equal to 4. So 60 upon x plus 240 upon y is equal to 4. This is first equation. Now move to second equation. Total distance is 3 kilometer and she travels 100 kilometer. 100 kilometer by train and rest of means 200 kilometer by bus. Okay. Similarly, we have to find time for train and bus. So time for train is 100 upon x and bus 200 upon y is equal to total time is 10 minutes longer. 10 minutes longer means 4 hour plus 10 minute. 10 minute, so you can convert 10 minute into hour. So this is 6 for the 24 and plus 1 25. So equation is 100 upon x plus 200 upon y is equal to 25 upon 6. This is second equation. Now you can solve these equation and find the value of x and y. Understood?